And today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat. So yeah, so I'm gonna just immediately spawn in these builds for my um boat dealer. As you can see, I have F1 car because my channel is F1 based. So I'm just spawning this. Don't mind the rockets, right? So as you can see, this is based on the W11 2020. Specifically Lewis Hamilton's car. So I'm just going first person when we get in there. So let me just do something here. Holy, my battery percentage is drained, bro. This was the worst time to make a video. But who cares? What? Where am I going? Yay! So I thought. Well, I thought. Wait, not like that though. Not like that though. Yeah, I'm gonna just kill myself though. Okay. Let me just jump up. What? Yo, bro. Where is bro? I believe I can fly. Oh my gosh, I just got discombobulated, bro. Holy. So, yeah, pretty good weather today. I built this a long time ago. I don't know. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I only have one last chance. If this boat doesn't work, I'm firing my boat dealer. Okay, yeah, this is good. This is good. Oh! Some rockets. Just in case everything goes wrong, I'ma just go down here. If you don't know, I'm just gonna grab the jetpack, emergency jetpack, and equipped it. Get in, leave this guy before this guy ruins everything I have built. For God's sake. Okay, so holy. Oh. Cancel. Pit maneuver. Bro, who built this? No! Oh, bro. Can these wheels please work? I have no choice but to operate operations. Come on, flip. Come on. I'm out of rockets. I'm out of rockets. I'm out of rockets. So I'm low-key cooked. So our prediction is here. Damn, my boy died. Oh. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. What is this fish doing here? Built like a fish head. Come on. Can these rocks please help me flip instead of doing the opposite? Be beneficial for once, bro. Okay, what if I jump here? Okay. Oh, I'm safe. Nigga, yeah, this one might be. Holy, these builds are at. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna live. Instead of spawning something, I have an idea. You know, a classical idea right here. 360 idea. Okay, I'm not gonna use plastic because plastic is very light, and the lighter, the easier to break. So I'm just gonna put on this. It just helps you build faster. Okay. Oh my god, now I have to build this manually, For like a rich kid. Like, now I have to manually. Why is it automatically breaking my blocks? don't care about a thing. Spawning in this, right? Right? See? They were like, yeah, no, you're not spawning in this, no, bro. So what did I just do? Yeah! Swap out, little boy. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Time to build the front part. This part right here. Okay, let me just go in first person now. Because I gotta build this part before my phone dies. And I also have to post this too. So yeah, I need to do this quick. So there. Can we please spawn? Quickly spawning the control chair right here. What the? This is a joke. This game is possibly one of the most jokest joke ever. This is rage bait. Straight up rage bait, bro. This game is not real. Secret. Just launch, bro. Launch, go. Yeah, no, I'm done recording. No, I'm sick of this. Stop.